So I'm back from washing all the scrub off of my face, and it was a really nice scrub. I like the fact that it's not too abrasive, but it's also not too gentle. I do like a good scrub without being too abrasive, and this is just perfect. This is just right for anyone that wants to get rid of those dead skin cells, but you don't want something too gentle. You want something kind of in between. This is a really great scrub, and my skin feels really smooth. Right now I have no moisturizer on, I have no makeup on other than my eye makeup here, and this is just straight smooth glow. I really do like this product. There's one thing I don't like about this product, and that's when I was scrubbing my lips, I didn't really notice at the time, but when I was rinsing it off, the after effect is that you can actually taste like a perfume taste on your lips, like it leaves an aftertaste of perfume. And in the ingredients there is actually perfume in this product, so I wouldn't really suggest using this on your lips unless you really wash it off after. This particular face scrub is meant for oily skin, but it also says on the package that it's for all skin types, so really I would suggest this for anyone. Unless you have really sensitive skin, I don't know if I would really recommend this. You want something a little bit less abrasive. So that is my review of the L'Oreal Pure Sugar Kiwi Scrub. I will be using it from now on, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you soon.